Give your walls a lift with this handsome paneled pattern. You can transform plain walls into something special by just adding molding. The best thing about a look like this, you can tailor it to your space, taking into account the features of your room, like windows, doors, or outlets. The pattern is a series of vertical elements called stiles and horizontal elements called rails. In this application, the stiles and rails are cut from 3.5-inch wide MDF, installed at a height of 52 inches, a width of 16 inches, with the rails evenly spaced. But you can completely customize the pattern by varying the size of the materials, varying the height of the pattern, the width of the pattern, even the number of rails. It's all up to you. To install your pattern, start by measuring and marking the line for the base. The top of the lower rail should be 3 inches above the height of the decorative base molding you'll be installing. Check for level, then install the MDF board with adhesive and nails. Directly below, add what is essentially a filler or backer for your final piece of decorative base molding. You'll add the base molding to the backer you've already applied. The base molding relies on a miter cut for corners. Now you can really start building out the pattern, installing the corner vertical boards or stiles with adhesive and nails. Next, measure and mark for the heights of your horizontal pieces, rails, and then start building. Add rails, and then a stile, rails, and a stile. You can see this will go pretty quickly if you have all your pieces pre-cut. Once your basic pattern's complete, you'll add some finishing touches to the look. Up top, apply a piece of MDF as a backer that you can nail casing to. When you come to a corner, the casing will need a miter cut. A strip of base shoe completes the look. You can stop here, or if you want to add one final element, you can trim out the interior of each panel with some bead molding. To get the best fit, you should trim each piece to length as you work. This technique is adaptable, affordable, and works in lots of spaces. Why wouldn't you give it a try?